Hey everyone, and welcome back. Let's dive into the world of HTTP Custom VPN, a powerful tool for keeping your online activity private and secure. Today, we're going to talk about how to create and share custom VPN configuration files. Setting up and creating your configuration file. First, let's get you set up with HTTP Custom VPN. 1. Download the app. Open the Google Play Store on your phone and search for HTTP Custom VPN. Download and install the app. 2. Get connected. Once you open the app, you'll need to choose a protocol, like UDP, to connect to a VPN server. We have other videos that explain how to set up these protocols, so make sure to check those out if you need help. 3. Create your file. Now, you're ready to make your own configuration file. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the app and choose Save Config. Give your file a name, adjust any other settings you want, and then tap Save. Your file is ready to go. Importing and connecting. Let's say you want to use a configuration file someone else shared with you. Here's how to import and connect. 1. Import the file. Tap the plus icon again, choose Open Config, and find the folder where you saved your file. Tap on it to import it. 2. Connect. Now, just tap the Connect button to start using your VPN connection. Sharing your file. Want to share your configuration file with others? Here's how. 1. Find your file. Open your File Manager app. If you don't have one, search for File in the Play Store and download one. Go to your device's internal storage, then download, then HTTP Custom. Your configuration file will be there. 2. Select and share. Tap the three dots next to the file you want to share. Select Share and choose the app you want to use, like WhatsApp or Telegram. 3. Send it. Select the contact or group you want to share with and send the file. Important tips. Keep it secure. Always share configuration files through secure messaging apps like WhatsApp or Telegram. This helps protect your data. Only share files with people you know and trust. Don't forget to join us on our Telegram and WhatsApp channels for ongoing support and insights. You'll find the links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to get notifications for more great content. Stay secure and happy browsing.